What is up, gang? Nick here. Welcome to the show if you're new. Thanks for coming back if you're not. I've got a really fun one for you all today. I hope you watched my video this morning and my post on my Patreon page. All 4 of the penny stocks I highlighted are up and up huge. So congrats to everyone who went in on those with me on the Patreon page. This day has been absolutely massive for the portfolio, to say the least. In today's video, just as promised, I want to focus on one of the penny stocks specifically that were highlighted in that video. I'll be doing a deep dive on Bionano, trading under ticker symbol BNGO, who they are, what they do, where they see their company going, and where share prices could ultimately reach. We have a ton to get into in today's video, but before we get it, Webull has improved their promo. They are now offering 4 free stocks worth up to $3,700. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. They are a 0% commissions trading platform and offer some of the best analytics in the game. This offer ends soon, guys. Don't sleep on it. Check out my Patreon page if you haven't. I will be posting every single one of my trades moving throughout 2021. I finished 2020 with over a 50% ROI. I'll be releasing more content behind the scenes, quicker updates, more updates. You guys don't want to miss any of those. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. All right, so Bionano Genomics absolutely popped off today once again. They're up 28.37% in the course of one trading day alone, up $2.78 on the day. This stock and this company continue to skyrocket. It really is incredible. They are now sitting at $12.48, and to put this into perspective, they were only sitting at 54 cents December 14th, just over a month ago. This stock has legitimately made millionaires out of so many people. There's a lot I see different about this stock and this company, setting it apart from many other stocks, and I want to analyze these for a second. For one, off the hop, we don't see a lot of profit taking occurring here, and this is a very important note. Although many swing traders, profit takers, and short-term investors usually gravitate towards penny stocks, my sole investment strategy has been and will continue to be long-term domination, and this company, in my point of view, is exactly that. Analysts and investors are clearly realizing this as they're securing bulk quantities of shares at very low prices and holding on for 5, 10, 20 years down the line. So a quick background on Bionano. They have a groundbreaking technology called Sapphire, which is their main product. They're focused on the optical genome mapping industry, or OGM. They do this to better analyze genomes of people who have diseases resulting from genomic repeats or repetitive sequences within the gene sequence. These can alter the function of the genes relating to genetic diseases. Now, putting all of this sciencey stuff aside, we as investors know just how hot genetics research has been, how hot the biopharma industry has been, and biotechnology at large. There is clearly a massive precedence being placed on these companies as futurists and analysts alike see biology and gene therapy as one of the leading fields in the coming years. This helps explain their massive surge that BNGO has felt over the past month. Now, what started this was positive reviews from physicians about how well this technology could help early diagnoses. They recently had a symposium on what Sapphire could really accomplish, and this sent the investor world into a frenzy and an extremely bullish sentiment at large. There is huge potential in this sector, and Sapphire could study parts of the genome containing repeats faster, structural variations, and more efficiently than other competitors. This brings them exclusivity, which investors realize the importance of. In business, companies are trying to establish niches, and especially niches in areas that are going to be extremely well positioned for the coming landscape, and Bionano is doing this perfectly. What has also been driving up shares is news emerging stating that Bionano is able to help diagnose those who gravely suffer if affected from the novel Roni health situation. These patients who suffer extreme symptoms, if diagnosed with the Roni, often have structural variations actually within their genome. Sapphire could potentially screen this beforehand. This would allow these people to place in extra precautions and care into their everyday lives. Sapphire can also analyze genomes for much cheaper than competitors. Their doctors stated they would be able to analyze genomes for only $500 when competitors are performing basically the same analysis for between $10,000 to $20,000. They now also have an increasingly robust balance sheet and have a market cap of around $3.42 billion and do not look as though they are slowing down anytime soon. Now, as I stated before, I am personally playing this one long, and I mean very long. I do have a degree in science, and I do know the potential for gene therapy and genomic sequencing in our coming landscape. I by no means think share prices in triple digits are out of the question. And why do I think this? Well, the possibilities for Sapphire are virtually endless, and many analysts are stating that they don't even know the full potential of what it can do just yet. We just don't. They have lower costs than competitors. Faster and more accurate results are in a very hot industry that is expected to gain precedence in the coming years, and doctors are stating that this technology is working wonders. What else could you want? There's also talk that this could become standard practice during pregnancy counseling. I really do love this company and love this stock. They are well positioned in one of my favorite industries right now, and we're already up huge on them. I'm going to be keeping a very close eye on them in the coming days, weeks, and months, so make sure you subscribe. I'm going to buy a bulk amount of shares if we see shares under $12 and ideally under $11 in the coming weeks. Anyways, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate all the continued support. Don't forget about the Webull promo, 4 free stocks worth up to $3,700. All you have to do is 1. Sign up, 2. Open an account, and 3. Deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. This is a complete no-brainer. Webull is a 0% commissions trading platform. They offer some of the best analytics in the game. Check out my Patreon page if you haven't. I would really appreciate it. This links up to the Discord. What a cool community. There's so many stock picks in there. It's really unreal and gives you an upper edge on the rest of the crowd. Thank you so much to all those who have already pledged. It really does mean the world to me. Anyways, everyone, I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Happy trading. Cheers.